Good morning students, my name is Dhara Kapadia and welcome back to our Innovative School YouTube channel. In today's lecture, I'll continue with the 100 dresses, chapter number 6, part 2, the 100 dresses. In my previous video, you can see part 1 also, so that you have enough idea about what is in part 2. So in part 1, I already informed you about who is Wanda Petrosky, Peggy, Maddie and Miss Mason, who is their teacher. So at the end of the part 1, that was a story that Wanda won the that competition, drawing competition, and Peggy and Maddie was in shock. Even other students were in shock that Wanda won this competition. Now in part 2, there is a big twist of the story. So many days Wanda was not coming into school, and finally a letter came from her father to Miss Mason, to the school community. So Miss Mason entered in the room number 13, and all the boys and girls were roaming here and there. When Miss Mason announced that there is a letter of Wanda Petrosky, everybody was very eager to hear about that letter, what is in it. Even Peggy and Maddie was very interested, because they were eagerly want to tease or I want to meet Wanda, right? So Miss Mason start with the letter, and this letter was written by Wanda's father. In that letter, he showcased that how his daughter faced such kind of situation in class. People teased her, even people teased her for her name, for her get-up, for her dress. So that was the thing, and she felt very bad, and for that reason only she is going to leave the school. After reading this letter, everybody was in very shocked manner, because of their teasing, because of their misbehavior, one girl is going to leave the school. Even Miss Mason also didn't like this behavior of the other students. Everybody felt very guilty pleasure actually, and especially Maddie. Maddie felt very bad, because at the beginning of the thing only, she felt that she has to stop Peggy. So this is the thing. After reading this thing, Maddie and Peggy was busy to do their work, but she was not able to concentrate. Maggie and Patty was not able to concentrate on their work actually. At the back of the mind, they were thinking about the Wanda only. That because of their questions about the 100 dresses, their shoes, their name, their get-up, because of that, all these things, Wanda is going to leave the school. And that time only, Maddie thought that she has to go to meet this Wanda if she is not left the school, left the town also. At the end of the school, she met to Patty, and the both thinking match. Even Patty also thought that they have to go to Boggin Heights, and they have to request Wanda to not to leave the town or the school. So quickly they went to the Boggin Heights where this Wanda is living. She reached at her home also. It was very white, small house. It was clean, right? But it was not that much good looking. And this shows that Wanda was poor. They both knocked the door so many times, but nobody came to open the door. At the back side, at the kitchen area, they went and they knocked the door also, but nobody opened the door. Finally, they took the decision that already Wanda went for the town with their parents. So they were very sad and returned home. At that time also, Maddie and Peggy thought that the behavior they did with the Wanda was not good actually, right? Then what happened? Wanda went to town already, and here this side, Penny and Maddie want to mesmerize such things. Patty already forgot all these things, but Maddie was not able to forget all these things. Even in her dreams also, there was a dream of Wanda and other girls who who are in the class that the other girls are teasing Wanda, and that time only Maddie come and she stopped all the girls to tease Wanda. And even she thought that if this kind of behavior she did earlier, then that might be the situation that Wanda was not able to leave this situation or leave the town actually. Right, and that time only she decided that whenever this kind of situation will happen in future also with other girl or with other people, so she will take some stand for that. She will not argue with anybody, but she will take some steps, right? And even for that also, if she has to left the Peggy's friendship, then she can bear it. She will face that situation also. And she was very strongly desired this thing. But now the situation was not in her hand, right? So what happened then? Maggie and Paddy wants to write a letter to Wanda, right? And in that letter, that was a very casual, very friendly letter that Wanda won that competition and they want to congratulate them. All these things she wrote in that. And finally, the new address they didn't know, Maggie and Maddie. Then what they did, Maggie and Paddy went to the Woking Heights. At that home only, she left the letter and returned that just deliver this letter to the correct person, right? So many days left, but Wanda's reply didn't came. Maggie and Paddy become very sad that ultimately they knew that because of their foolishness, because of their schoolingness, Wanda want to reply, and they are not friend of them. But after so many days, the Christmas is coming. Christmas celebration was going on in the school. The decoration was going on at the time. So that time, Peggy already deleted these images or these memories in their mind, but Maddie didn't. She was not happy. She was not enjoying this situation of Christmas celebration. At the time only, Miss Mason again came in the class and she announced everybody that there is a letter from Wanda Petrosky, who already left the school last year. So everybody were in shock and they were very eager to listen that letter. And Miss Mason read that letter that whatever she want to convey with the students, that Wanda is very good, fine with the new town, with the new students, with the new friends, and she have more 100 dresses, another 100 dresses in their wardrobe and shoes also. So this is showing that whatever the teases were going on in the class, Wanda want to give the answer also. And in that letter also, she informed that green and red color dress, that design was there in the school, they have to give to Maggie and Paddy also, right? Because that drawing was related to her only. And she ended up the letter. So after concluding this letter, Miss Mason told that both the drawings should be given to Maddie and Paddy, and other drawings also they can give the girls of room number 30. So this is showing that Wanda was not that much disturbed with Maddie and Paddy. Even she felt that Maddie and Paddy is good friends of her. And that drawing was carried to their home only. This Maddie is nicely put up that drawing, that green color drawing, green color dress drawing in that room on a wall, and it looks very beautiful. Because of that drawing, the wall looks very beautiful. And she seen each and everything of that drawing. Suddenly she realized that in that drawing, in that dress, the face which she draw on the dress was of Maddie only. The whole body structure was made by Wanda, and that was about the Maddie. So she was very surprised that how this Wanda can do the drawing of Maddie only. Then quickly she ran to the Peggy's home and she informed that Wanda did these kind of things, that she want to see Peggy's drawing also. When Peggy shown that drawing to Maddie, that time she discovered that Wanda draw Peggy's face on her drawing. So this shows that Patty and Maddie realize that Wanda never feel that they are enemies of Wanda, and they are good friends. If Wanda didn't left that town, then they become very good friends. But now the situation now is not that hand, right? So this is the thing. And at the end of this chapter, Maddie always think about the Peggy, about the Wanda, and Peggy already ripped this thing. So the chapter 100 Dresses is end up with a very beautiful ending. Finally, all the children are very happy with it, and Wanda settled very nicely in the city where there are so many different kinds of name are there, very unique named children are there in the city area. So Wanda is happy in their own place, and here Maddie and Paddy realize such things that what kind of the behavior they have to do in front of the students or in front of their friend. So from this chapter, from this two part, we can moralize such thing, we can understand such thing that we have to take care of each and every person, whether her look, his look is very different, ugly, their name is ugly, their behavior is not good, then also we have to do very well, we have to behave very well. Okay, so I hope you have enough idea about this chapter, the 100 Dresses part 2. Thank you, have a nice day.